Do you want to be able to fix suspended account on TikTok? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue, but it is very important that you do watch this until the very end, because if you don't, then maybe this will not work for you, just so you know. So you need to watch this video until the very end and then apply all of these steps for it to work basically. So the first step is going to be for us to come to our TikTok app, and you need to have at least two TikTok accounts for it to work. So if you have one of your TikTok accounts suspended, then you need to log back in into your second account that is not suspended. It doesn't really matter if you have posted anything on that account or if that account has like zero followers. That does not matter. The thing that matters is that you have the second account and you can log back into it, and then you should be taken to this page right here. So go into the second account and then come to your profile right here. Now when you're on your profile, the first step is going to be for you, so click on the three lines in the top right corner, so click there. Now as you can see, you get a couple of options in here. You need to click on the last option where it says settings, so click on settings. Now what you need to do in here is to scroll down and then click on reports a problem, so click there. Just going to load, and perfect. As you can see, we should now be taken here, right? What you need to do in here is quite simple. You need to scroll all the way like down in here and then click on submit a report. So click there, just going to load here for us. And great, super, you're now taken to this page right here, which is like perfect. You need to now write exactly like this for the TikToks, to the TikTok support for it to work. So you need to write exactly like this now. I am having issues with the account. Now write the exact username for that account that has been suspended. It's very important that you actually write the exact username. Don't like misspell it basically, because then it will not work. So write the exact username in here. I don't have any account right here right now, so I'm just going to write like this. I'm having issues with the account being suspended wrongfully. I need this account to be unsuspended because it is very important for my TikTok user experience. So you can write exactly like this now to their support. I am having issues with the account. Write the exact username for that account being suspended wrongfully. I need this account to be unsuspended because it is very important for my TikTok user experience. So you can write basically exactly like this. Maybe it doesn't have to be like 100% exact like this, but as long as you explain to them that you have gotten one of your accounts suspended wrongfully and you want to be able to actually unsuspend that account, and then you also of course write the correct username for that account, then it should be fine. Now click on submit. You need to now wait about 1 to 3 business days for the TikTok support to see this, and then they will reply back to you, and hopefully this will fix this issue for you. So let me know if you have any like questions down in the comments, and I will try to answer to as many as I can, and I wish you the best day.